Okay, so my scalp looking crazy, but that's why I'm here. I'm here to help the grays that be having, you know, the winter storms. Just want y'all to look at it one more time before we get it all together. Okay. It's giving winter wonderland. And that's buildup from my natural oils because I was dry brushing and stuff. And I'm gonna show y'all how to get rid of that in the wash routine. And to give you guys some context, this is my scalp and my roots after sleeping in my bonnet, after not maintaining, hydrating, or moisturizing my scalp or hair. Basically, this is a moment where y'all get to catch me slipping, okay? Take it and run with it, but watch this video so you can catch some gems. Okay, so what I have with me for a quick fix, I have my softboard bristle brush. Make sure it's a soft brush, y'all. Please make sure. And then I have my water mixture. It's mainly water, and the essential oils are the main thing you want to keep in there. So like rosemary or eucalyptus, tea tree oils, those 3 oils are your most important ones. If you want to put in lavender, 1 for the scent, but 2 for the relaxation. Mentally, I think like lavender oil is going to help relax the irritation. So I'm going to put it up in sections just to stay organized. All right, so for the back, cause I don't do rows in the back, so I'm just gonna go diagonally, and I'm putting all the other ones to the side. You don't have to do it like this. I'm doing it for the sake of the video, honestly, but it does keep you a little more organized. So I'm gonna take my softboard bristle brush, and I'm gonna start. You want to brush both sides, and you want to go flip this over, but I'm still gonna go the same direction in which the locks drape. I don't know the word for it, but yeah, so. And then while you still have this side for the next row, go ahead and brush that. And you proceed with doing this for the entire head. So dry brushing is what's going to help you get rid of as much dandruff, dirt, debris, lint as possible before adding any type of liquid to your hair. So if you were to try and do this while it was wet, it's not going to move like you would want it to. It would rather more like sink in, and that's not what you want. Warning, a blizzard will occur. So if you want to wear a big t-shirt or even a towel around your shoulders, do so. All right, so I did the rest off camera. Y'all saw most of the back, but yeah, so the back is basically done. I'm just gonna shake it a bit for any loose flakes that I didn't get. You want to try and eliminate as much of it as possible, because once it's wet, it kind of gets, it's like cereal, y'all. Like, it's like, you know, like some Frosted Flakes. Before you put the milk in the bowl, it's good, right? It's dry. But once you put the milk in there, you know, that's when it gets tricky. Like you can't wait but for so long before you can eat them, before they get soggy. And when they get soggy, they start to stick together, and it's just not pleasant. It's just not. They start to clump together and stuff. No. All right, I'm going to pony it away. And then you're gonna do the same exact thing in the front. I don't know if anyone else experienced this, but my mama used to scratch my scalp with a comb and used to go to town with it, and that's something I don't want anyone else to ever experience. So the goal with the brush is not to like dig into your scalp with the teeth. The goal is to just contact where the dandruff is. If you're wondering when should you stop, I mean, honestly, you could be here forever. But you just want to get majority of it. You want to make sure like you see a significant difference.
Yes, I know I'm due for a touch-up. Don't come for me. I am at my midpoint.
Alright, it looks better already. Remember, don't worry about this because that's going to get eliminated when we get to wash the locks. Another way you know when to stop is if your scalp is so irritated that it's on fire. If you have a highly sensitive scalp like that, just stop brushing and shake the rest of the dandruff out. Okay. So look at that. Look at that. Look at this. And look at this. This is without brushing. This is with dry brushing. This is without dry brushing. This is with dry brushing. Okay? Big difference. Then we're gonna move on to this last section. I'm just gonna shake the front up like I did the back. So much better. So much better, so much better, so much better. We're not completely dandruff free, but she looks a whole lot better, okay? This ain't what she looked like when we first started the video. So now that we have it all dry brushed out, I'm going to saturate my scalp, my roots with my water mixture. Make sure you shake it good. And you're just focusing on your scalp. I would water the scalp as deeply as you would a plant. For my plant moms and dads, you know what I'm talking about. Or plant parents, you know what I'm talking about. And you just massage it. You might feel the urge to scratch your scalp. Don't do that. You're just gonna irritate it. Don't do that. Just use the pads of your fingers. I like to give extra TLC to my hairline, to my perimeter. Y'all see that? It's gonna work every time. I'm just saying. And now I need to make sure that I water my scalp tonight. In the morning, I'm a girl who needs to water her scalp twice a day. So in the morning and at night. Sometimes I might do it in the middle of the day, but yeah, twice a day. You just have to like pay attention to your scalp. If you feel it, like if you start to notice you're starting to scratch your scalp more, you might need to water it a little more often. So let me give y'all a 360 on what she looks like now. So yeah, she ain't 100% clean, but she's definitely better than what she was giving before we started this video. So this is basically my everyday routine. I do not dry brush every day. I dry brush about once to twice a week, but I do water my scalp, my roots twice a day, period. Like, that's what I know my scalp needs. That's what my scalp tells me. You have to pay attention, y'all. You really have to pay attention to your scalp. If it starts to itch, you need to water it. At your earliest convenience, you need to water it. it starts to itch too crazy, you need to wash it. It needs to be washed. All right, and that's gonna be the next video. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you turn on my post notifications, hit that bell on my profile. If you haven't followed me already, I hope this was so helpful enough for you to follow. So go ahead and hit that follow button, like this video, comment to let me know if it was helpful. Share this video to your friends, to the girls that you know have been complaining about their scalp and how they can't wear protective styles. Save this video for when you come to me and get your full lock experience, so you can have your maintenance video already set up for you when it's time to watch it. Come here. Come here. Both of y'all. Come here, Bentley and Elijah. Bentley and Elijah. What's up? What's up? Why y'all acting crazy? Look at the people. Look. Look at them. Anyway, we gotta go. Stay tuned for the faux lock wash routine. All right. See y'all later.